Welcome to Same Day Build, a course designed to help you build a professional website for your business in just one day. Building a website has become one of my favorite parts of the business process over time, but I know that not everyone else feels that way. I was in the same boat in the beginning. It can be confusing to figure out the process of building a website, and when you have no idea what you're doing, you end up with a funky looking website that you're just not happy with. But that's why you're here. You want a professional looking website and you don't want to spend weeks on making it happen. So by the end of this course, you'll understand web page basics, set up the essential pages of your site, begin optimizing your site for Google search, and establish a domain name for your site and find the right plan for your business. It doesn't have to be the day you watch this course, but choose one day to devote to your website. Block the day, stay focused on the task at hand, and you can have your website done and officially check this off your business to do list. So, before we officially dive in, I want to introduce myself. I'm Kylie, podcaster, copywriter, website designer, and business coach. I have my bachelor's degree in writing, literature, and publishing, and my master's in marketing. I've worked in marketing at various companies and agencies over the past 6 years while building my businesses on the side. I started as a healthy living blogger, became a certified health coach, and after many, many courses, a lot of research, and firsthand experience, I fell in love with the business side of my coaching practice. I'm all about pursuing the things that you love. So I transitioned from being a health coach to helping women build their businesses. And I'm so happy doing what I do. Over the past 10 years, I've created dozens of websites, and not all of them have been pretty. I spent weeks working on building a website for blogs and my coaching business, only to end up disappointed with the results. And once I even spent several $100s on a website design only to find out I had no idea how to actually use the design on my site and then abandon ship after a few well meaning attempts. Luckily, as time has gone on, I've learned to not only make the process more efficient, but also how to end up with a professional looking design you're proud of. Before we officially get into the first module, I want to go over a few key terms that you'll need to know as we go through the course. You might have heard these before and you know what they are, but I want to review because they're the ones that are going to come up throughout this course. So, a call to action, or a CTA, is an image or line of text that prompts your visitors, leads, and customers to take action. A button is any graphic or text box that allows your visitors to interact with your website. Copy is written content that aims to persuade a person or group to take a particular action. Domain name, the address of your website that people type into the browser URL bar to visit your website. Favicon is the small square images that are usually displayed before the URL in the address bar of a browser. And search engine optimization, or SEO, the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. And then finally, your hero image, which is the first image visitors see on your page. And then the last thing I want to discuss is the platform we're going to be working in throughout this course. I highly, highly recommend using Wix to build your website. I've used WordPress and Blogger. I currently use Kajabi over the years, but Wix has been my go-to for the past few years. Especially, it's great for beginners. It's user-friendly, comprehensive, and simple to navigate. So when you're looking to build a simple and professional website, you want something that's easy to use and not going to cost you an arm and a leg and has everything you need to run a business. And Wix is exactly that. If you feel strongly about another platform, you can take these tips in the course and apply them there. But I do encourage you to give Wix a try. If you already have a domain, you can easily transfer it over to Wix. And if you're just starting out with a website, this is the perfect platform to begin with. If you sell products, digital or physical, you can have a shop through Wix. There's even a way to create a course through Wix. You can accept payments from coaching services, and it easily connects to Pinterest for marketing and helps you optimize your website for SEO without any additional plugins. I just love Wix. So that is where I'll be showing you how to build a site. But like I said, if you feel strongly about another platform, all of this knowledge will translate to that too. You can click the link below to sign up and poke around the platform, but we'll officially get started working in Wix in Module 2. Okay, now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the website creation process. I'll see you in Module 1.